All right, so this is Podemski number 10. Again, I'm just going to back off the tempo a little bit so that you get an idea of how it should flow, and then you can practice along. Eventually, you want to get it up to that 84 for a quarter note. All right. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1, 1 and 2 and 1, 2. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 1, 2. 1, 2 and 1 and 2. 1, 2 and 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1 and 2. 1, 2, 1, 2. 1 and 2 and 2. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. 1 and 2 and 1 and 2. 1, 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 2 and 1 All right. Good luck.